Have you ever been trapped in a meltdown at 30,000 feet above ground? Stuck in a metal tube with your child, losing it at a younger sibling who won't stop kicking? Or in a crowded restaurant with people all around you, eyes glaring, waiting to watch how you will handle the whole situation? I've been there. On a recent flight, packed with passengers all around us, my older girl was crying, upset at her little brother for repeatedly kicking her. He didn't realize it, obviously, but he also refused to apologize. And she's definitely not appeased. She started whining and then screaming. By then, the people in the 3 rows around us had turned to stare at us. It was stressful, but here's the secret. With space, connection, and co-creation of calm, we moved from chaos into cooperation. And I'm going to show you exactly how I managed to do that. Hi, I'm Madam Han. Today, I'm going to walk you through a simple 3-step plan to help your child regulate, even during intense emotional moments in tight spaces like on airplanes. You see, this is not about instant fixes. It's about emotional first aid, co-regulation, easing overwhelm, and empowering solutions. Number 1, remove pressure, hold the emotion. First of all, remove them from the trigger pressure. In this case, it's the younger sibling. So I am not giving stress to my girl, saying that she has to step out from being angry. I gently guided my daughter away from her brother's space. So instead of saying, "Stop crying," I told her, "You seem really frustrated. I'm here with you." I then invited her for a walk with me. I offered my hand and told her we'll take a walk together, just you and I. Research shows that young children, even those up to 14 years of age, need an active caregiver to support them, to regulate with them. They cannot fully self-soothe until much older. Number 2, co-regulate through presence. Next, offer your calm, physically and emotionally. Speak to them at the eye level. Using a soft tone, we could say something like, "I see you're really upset. I will be upset too if somebody keeps kicking me." We're validating our child's emotions and letting him or her know that it's completely okay to feel that way. "Yeah, he kicked me not just once, but 5 times. I listened calmly as she spoke. We have to now regulate your own breathing and your tone. Your calm helps their brain to settle. Studies have shown that calm adults help lower children's cortisol and amygdala activity through co-regulation. At chaotic moments like this, it is really important that we share our calm, not add to the chaos. Number 3, co-create a mini solution. Now, once she felt heard, I then asked my daughter, what does she suggest to solve the problem? She continued whining and repeated, "I don't like him kicking me! I don't like him kicking me!" So she was just screaming and repeating herself. I held her hand and also gave space for her emotions. Now, after she has calmed down, she then suggested building a pillow barrier between her and the younger brother. "When we do that, he can then kick the pillow, not me," I told her. Brilliant idea. "Do you want me to help you with your pillow fortress?" She nodded. And we returned to our aisle together. The next time, you could try. What would help you feel better right now? Support their idea, even if it's a little quirky or overly simple. Co-regulation helps children borrow our calm, while their brain's executive control systems slowly mature. You see, this developed into adolescence only in the mid-20s. Distraction and physical adjustments are a form of strategic co-regulation, not avoidance. They shift the nervous system before deeper processing can take place. Have you ever handled an airborne meltdown? What worked or didn't? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your stories or questions. If this had helped you, hit like or subscribe for more connected parenting strategies. Travel does not have to break you or your child. You've got this. And I'll be sharing the links to the research in the description below.